Okay, just getting this outer mounting flange off. You've got these 3 screws. There's one up here, these 2 on the bottom. This slips inside of the actual water heater bracket, or whatever you want to call that part. Shield. But got those 2 out. This one up here's out. And then you go to the back side, and it seems to work pretty good, just putting a flathead screwdriver in there and prying it, twisting it. So that will separate it out. And of course there's some sealant in here. Get that sealant out of the way, and should be able to pull that dude right off of there. I don't think there's some sealant on the inside in there. I think it'll break loose. So, yeah. Need to make sure we seal this back up good on the new one. I should have my GoPro out doing this. Wasn't counting on doing this much video. There we go. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna clean this up, and then it'll go right on the new one. Alright. Thanks for watching.